What is up, my beauties? Welcome back into my channel. We're getting into this Valentine's inspired Cranberry Smokey eye with a beautiful glitter cut crease today. I hope you beauties do enjoy this video and join the beauty tribe. Hit that like and subscribe button so you guys don't miss an upload from your girl, okay? I am starting out with my e.l.f. 16-hour camouflage concealer, and then as you beauties can see, I'm just concealing and prepping and priming my lids so we can put on these beautiful pigments on our eyes, okay? Next, we're going into the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and then we're going to be taking the shade FOTD, and then we're going to be blending that shade into our crease. Basically, we're going to be blend, girl. We're going to blend out all these colors so we can get a beautiful transition for this Cranberry Smokey eye. And like I said, beauties, I like to put this in real time for you guys when I do blend it into my creases and when I do my eyeshadow pigments, because I want to show you guys my techniques and how I do blend those colors into my crease. Next, we're taking the shade Black Magic. It is a black shade, and we're going to be popping that red on where we put FOTD. And we're just basically going to be blending these two colors together, beauties, and we're just going to be, you know, doing it to our desired consistency. Basically just blend them in so you guys can see it's kind of giving like a darker, more burgundy vibe over here. Next, we're going into the shade Red Alert. You guys, my palette names were kind of upside down. So that shade is Red Alert, and we're just taking that and we're blending it right on top of where we put those two colors so we can get a beautiful gradient effect. Next, we're going to be going into the shade Unstoppable. It is a beautiful bright pink shade, and then we're going to be popping that right on top of where we put Red Alert. And basically, beauties, just blend all these colors out. We're just trying to get it to our best desired consistency over here. And as you beauties can see, if you guys do mess up, you guys, concealer is literally like a magic eraser. It works so well. Like if you guys go too overboard, you guys blend too much, just use your concealer, go back in with your pigments, and you know, just try to, you know, make it better. And then now you guys can see I'm going with that 16-hour camouflage concealer, and I'm just cutting my crease. As you beauties can see, you guys, look at that cut crease. It is on point, girl. Like I said, take your time with cutting the crease. I did speed it up, but just take your time when cutting the crease and it'll come out just as perfect as you want it to be. Next, we're going into the Zodiac Love Signs palette, and we're taking that beautiful white shade over there, and we're just going to be popping that on the inner corner of our eye where we did cut our crease so we can get that white to gold glitter ratio that you guys see on the other opposite side of the eye. Next, I'm taking that shade Black Magic again, and now basically, beauties, I am just smoking out the outer corner of my lash line over there, and we're just going to be smoking out, bringing that color out and blending it into where we did cut our crease. And next, you guys, I'm taking that FOTD shade, and I'm basically just packing that on, kind of getting like a gradient effect just like we did with our crease. We're going to be doing basically the same thing on our eye where we did cut our crease, but we're only going to be taking those two shades, Black Magic and FOTD, and just blending those two shades together so you can get a nice gradient effect. Next, we're going to be taking that beautiful shade. I do believe it is called Make Believe. It is a beautiful glitter shadow. So I did pop up on some of that NYX primer, and then I am popping on that Make Believe beautiful gold glitter on top and just blending it out with the other colors as well. Next, you beauties, I am going into this glitter that I did get from Target. Like I tell you guys, it's about 17 bucks. You guys can find it, I think, in like the craft section. But literally, you guys, this is like, you know, if you guys are looking to pop and have some glitter, it's very cheap and less expensive than you guys know some Instagram other sites that you guys have seen. So I thought it was a good snag and a good deal. Next, I'm going into my ColourPop white liner in Graceland. I did a little swatch for you guys, as you can see. So I'm basically going to be lining where we did cut our crease. So this is basically going to emphasize where we did cut our crease, and it's going to make it just pop and make it look even 10 times better. Also, beauties, comment down below what is your guys' favorite eyeliner. What's your go-to eyeliner? Like, let me know down in the comments below. What is your guys' favorite eyeliner? What brand? What shade? What do you guys like? And then basically I'm just taking the same shades we did when we used in our crease, and we're just taking those same shades and we're blending it on the bottom of our crease, getting that gradient effect so we can have that smoked out feel, cranberry vibe that you guys see over here, okay? Next, I'm getting into these strip lashes. This is by Reign Supreme. Thank you, girls, so much. These lashes are beautiful. These are in the style Tuna Puna. These lashes literally have length. I love the length of these, you guys. If I could pick length over volume, I would pick length. Like, you guys gotta check her out on Instagram. Check her out. She has some beautiful lashes. She's coming out with a new line, so you guys stay tuned for that. It's gonna be the Zodiac, so you know your girl is gonna hop on that for you, beauties, okay? And the next, I'm going into my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. I believe it's in the shade Bogatoga. I usually never tell you guys what shade I am, but I am in Bogatoga, and then I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. Next, you guys know I have to go with my favorite concealer. This is the Master Conceal by Face Studio. It is very affordable. You guys can find it at Walgreens, I believe Target, CVS. It is very affordable, and I just love the consistency. I love Maybelline's products, and this is like my favorite go-to concealer. And as you beauties can see, I'm just taking the opposite side of my beauty blender and I'm just blending that out with my foundation as well, so we can get a nice smooth finish. Next, you guys, I am setting with my Makeup Revolution Banana Luxury Baking Powder, and we're just gonna be baking it up, girls, okay? We're gonna be baking today. And I'm just popping that on to where we did put our concealer, and then after that we are gonna be, carving out, looking like a sculpture, okay? I'm taking the NYX Wonder Stick, and then I'm just going to be lining basically where you do contour your face. As you guys can see, your cheekbones, on the upper of your, head up there, along your jawline, and we're just going to be carving it out, beauties, okay? And then I'm also going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer and Bronze Babe. And then I already did blend out that NYX Wonder Stick. And then I'm just topping that off with that Bronze Babe. And this is the first time I've done this, beauties. I wanted to get like more of a contoured effect, and I really did like how it came out. It gives you a beautiful contour, as you beauties can see. Like, you sculpt it out, girl, okay? And then I am just dusting off that bake. And we're gonna, dust it off, okay? And you guys, I literally am finally feeling better after being sick. I've been sick for so long, you guys. Like, I feel like it's been 3 weeks. I went to the doctor recently. I have like allergies. I've been sick, but I'm finally kind of getting back to myself. Like, comment down below if you guys have gotten sick this season. Like, literally it hit me like a toll of bricks. I was like, oh my god. But I'm so glad I'm finally feeling better, and I want to get into more content for you beauties and have these amazing makeup looks for you guys and just inspire you guys. This is literally why I do these videos. I just want to inspire you guys. Do what you want, be great, do whatever you want to do in life. And then as you beauties can see, I'm basically just taking my highlight. You guys know my Makeup Revolution and Dare to Divulge. That is poppin' beauty. You can always build it up. You can make it natural. You can do whatever you want with this highlight. And then you guys know I gotta top it off with my Wet n Wild, and I'm so lit, and it's just gonna give you that beautiful, like, gorgeous glow, like you glow into the sun, glow into the gods, girl, okay? And then usually, you guys, I'll just spray it with my setting spray, and then I'll top it in with the highlight, so it makes it pop even more. So if you beauties try that out, you guys can literally get this glow right over here, okay? And also comment down below, beauties, if you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day. If you guys are like, nah, I'm just staying in, I'm not gonna be going out, but you know you gotta be slayed up, okay? So if you're gonna go out somewhere, this is the look to go for, beauties. Like, Valentine's Day is coming up, and you guys literally look at this. If you guys want more dark videos like you guys saw right there, like, I just thought it came out so good. Like, I see girls on Instagram as well post it in darker light, but I just love how the glitter pops, your highlight pops. Like, comment down below if you guys want to see more looks from me like that in a darker light. And then I'm taking my shade Secret Agent in the Lorac lipstick, and I pop that on, and then I'm just going to be popping on Stila glitter shadow on top of it, kind of to give it like a pinky glitter top shade on top of it. And then I'm going to be lining my waterline with the Dolzera Cosmetics pink neon pigment. And you beauties, this is popping. I've loved this neon pigment since I got it. I do want to do some more neon looks for you guys with it as well. And then I'm popping off with the Jeffree Star setting spray in strawberry. It smelled so good, beauties, and this is the completed look for you beauties. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned into my videos. If you stuck to the end, you're awesome, and I will catch you beauties on my next video. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.